Hey guys, my name's Tiana and I'm a project manager, and I created this monthly calendar on Google Sheets so you can track your tasks, habits, and to-do list items with ease. I spent precious time creating this calendar so you don't have to. And the beauty is you pay a one-off fee and you can save this as a template and use it year after year. So let's jump into this quick tutorial. So the first place we're going to start was, of course, the Start Here tab. This is where you'll start on most of your spreadsheets. And this page basically has all the information about the sheet, as well as some links, and of course this tutorial video as well. Next, we have the Setup tab. Here you'll be able to set the date of your calendar year. So you can change this to whatever you want, year 2000, year 3000, whatever. And then you can change your start month. This part is purely for reference only. Here is the important part. Here you can also change your task categories and color code them. So you can change the color code, change the name, and use this as a point of reference. And of course, we've got how to use down here step by step, so you can refresh your memory on how to use this calendar if you need to. And as a little thank you from me, I've actually included some freebie calendar stickers in here, so you can put these all over your calendars and make them look cute. Now to the calendar itself. Here you can put your task items, any to-do items that you have, any habit tracking that you want to write, and put it on whatever day you like. Type it in here. Each cell will change color as you type in a task, and this will correspond with the little mini calendar, which I'll show you later. This grayed out area here shows the days that aren't active in the calendar, and this will change as you change the calendar year in the Setup tab. Now, as you complete your tasks and you click through them and check them off and strike them off, your monthly task progress bar will fill up and give you a nice little chart so you can visibly see how well you're doing in percentage. As well as this, we have a mini summary table just above it. Because LavenderLogic is all about the vibes, here we've got a monthly inspo picture that you can add to set the tone for your month. Like I said before, when you add a task, it will highlight here in lilac on the Mealy calendar. So I just added a task here and look, boom, there it is. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of this tutorial. This calendar is simple but powerful. I didn't want to add too much. It's a calendar after all. So if you want to add a little more organization in your life, this is indeed the calendar for you. Thank you from LavenderLogic.